In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a basic everyday makeup routine for beginners. Whether you're new to the world of makeup or simply looking to master a simple and natural look for your daily activities, this tutorial is designed to help you achieve just that. We'll start by preparing your skin for makeup application. Cleanse your face using a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities, dirt, and excess oil. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel, and then apply a suitable moisturizer to ensure your skin is well hydrated. This step creates a smooth base for your makeup and helps it last longer. Once your skin is prepped, it's time to apply a primer. Primer acts as a barrier between your skin and makeup, smoothing out the texture and creating a foundation that allows for a more even application. Choose a primer that suits your skin type and concerns, whether it's minimizing pores, blurring imperfections, or controlling shine. Concealer comes next. Use a creamy concealer to cover any blemishes, redness, or under eye circles. Gently blend the concealer using your fingertip or a makeup sponge, ensuring a seamless finish that hides any imperfections. To even out your complexion, apply a lightweight, buildable foundation. You can use a makeup sponge or brush to achieve a natural finish. Remember to blend well along the hairline and jawline to avoid any visible lines. If needed, you can also use a foundation brush to apply the product. Setting the base is crucial for long-lasting makeup. Dust a translucent setting powder over your face to lock in your foundation and concealer. This step helps control excess oil and prevents your makeup from creasing or fading throughout the day. Moving on to the eyes, opt for neutral eyeshadow shades that complement your skin tone. Apply a light shade across your eyelids as a base, followed by a slightly darker shade in the crease to add dimension. This enhances your eyes without appearing too heavy for an everyday look. Defining your eyes is as simple as lining your upper lash line with a soft eyeliner pencil. Choose a brown or black shade for a natural appearance. You can also tightline your upper waterline for added definition. Finish your eye makeup by applying a coat or two of mascara to your upper and lower lashes, opening up your eyes and making them appear more awake. Adding a hint of color to your cheeks is essential for a healthy complexion. Apply a cream or powder blush to the apples of your cheeks and blend it out gently. Remember to smile to locate the perfect placement for a natural flush of color. For those who wish to sculpt their features, a light contouring step can be included. Use a matte bronzer or contour powder to define your cheekbones, jawline, and sides of your nose. Blend thoroughly to achieve a subtle, naturally sculpted effect. Complete your look with a neutral lip color. Opt for a nude lipstick or lip gloss that enhances your natural lip color while providing a hint of shine. This step ties your entire look together and adds a touch of sophistication. To ensure your makeup lasts all day, finish off with a makeup setting spray. This step helps lock in your makeup, prevents it from smudging, and provides a refreshing feel. And there you have it, a complete basic everyday makeup routine for beginners. With these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly achieve a polished and natural appearance that boosts your confidence and complements your features. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to adapt and personalize this routine according to your preferences. Enjoy experimenting and embracing your newfound makeup skills.